Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajesh Kamar as your companion on this journey to a healthier and more aligned self. In our last video, we explored Prasrit Padottanasana, wide-legged standing forward bend or the widest pose. In today's session, let's delve into Uttanasana, intense or deliberate stretch, standing forward bend pose. We will break it down step by step, discussing the pose's shape, how to get into it, what to focus during the pose, how to get out of it, the benefits it offers, and modifications and props that can be used. We'll practice together. Grab your mat and let's begin. Are you ready? Today's pose is Uttanasana, intense and deliberate stretch or standing forward bend pose. It is a standing forward extension where the legs are together, straight, the hands are on the ground, and the torso extends downward or head coming to the knees or shins. Uttanasana, intense and deliberate stretch. So we start with mountain pose and I'm showing you from my side. So big toes, inner heels are touching, legs straight, arms by your side, mountain pose. Then bring your hands on your waist, press down through your heels, top of buttocks down, thighs back, extend your trunk up, look up towards the ceiling, then exhale, extend your trunk forward. Look forward, press down through your heels, then exhale, bring your fingertips or hands on the floor. Look forward, legs straight, press your fingertips, broaden your collarbone, shoulders away from your ears as you extend your trunk forward. Then on exhale, bring your hands either side of your ankles and then exhale, bring your head down towards the floor. Press down through the center heel, tighten your kneecap, lift through your front thighs, tops of your thighs back. Press your fingertips and extend your trunk down towards the floor. On an exhale, bring your head towards your knees or shin, shoulders away from your ears. Extend the back leg from knees towards the heel, knees towards your buttocks. Then to come out, press your feet down. Inhale, straighten your arms, look in front, bring your hands under your shoulders, then press your feet down, legs straight, bring your hands on your waist, extend your trunk upward and forward. Inhale, come up, bring your arms to the side, mountain pose. Another way to practice this, we can keep our feet hip width apart, but feet are parallel to each other. So make your feet parallel, see that the outer edges of your feet parallel to the outer edges of your mat. Then press down through your heels, top of thighs back, buttocks descend, extend your trunk forward, exhale, extend your trunk forward, then bring your hands down on the floor, look in front, press your fingertips down as you broaden your collarbone, shoulders away from your ears, extend your trunk forward. Then an exhale, bend your elbows up and out as you bring your trunk head down towards the floor. If your body allows, you can bring your hand sides of your feet and let go your head down. Bring your head towards your shin or knees. Then to come out, straighten your arms, look in front, hands on your waist, extend your trunk. Inhale, come up. Okay, mountain pose. Brick we can use as a prop. So you can bring your bricks and we'll practice with the bricks. So you can practice with the feet hip width apart or you can bring your feet together. I'm showing you from feet hip width apart. Then on exhale, extend your trunk forward and bring your hands on the bricks. Bricks are on vertical height under your shoulders. Press your hands and extend your trunk forward. Then on exhale, you can bring your bricks back on the side of your ankles, and then you can build a base for your head to bring the top of your head on the brick. How much height you need, you can build the base. So you press your hands down, legs straight, then extend your trunk downward, bring the top of your head down on the brick, legs straight. Press your heels, top of thighs back. Extend the back leg, knees to heels, knees to buttocks. Trunk extended downward. Press your hands, shoulder lifted away from your ears. You can practice this way. Then inhale, bring your bricks forward. Come on the initial stage, look in front. Or another way is to practice is that keeping your legs straight. Extend your trunk forward. Only practice the initial stage to learn the extension of your trunk by pressing your hands, shoulder blade on your upper back, shoulders away from your ears. Then to come out, press your heels, bring your hands on your waist, elbows pointing back, extend your trunk forward and upward. Inhale, come up. Bring your feet together, mountain pose. And the easiest way to learn this pose against the wall from Ardha Uttanasana, where just trunk is parallel to the floor. So this is the best way to start this pose. Stand against the wall, feet are hip width apart and your hands are just above your pelvis. Press your fingertips into the wall as you walk your feet back, feet hip width apart, and make sure your trunk is parallel. Then press your fingertips, look in front. Press down through your heel, press your toe mounts, tighten your kneecap, tops of your thighs back, extend the back leg. Then press your fingertips as you broaden your collarbone, shoulders away from your ears. Look in front. So this way, Ardha Uttanasana, we can learn the essential part of forward extension of the trunk. Then you bend your legs, walk your feet forward, and then rest your forehead on the wall. Benefits of Uttanasana. This pose cures stomach pains and tones the liver, spleen and kidneys, while also relieving menstrual stomach pain if supported. It slows the heartbeat and rejuvenates the spinal nerves. Holding the pose for 2 minutes or more can alleviate depression and soothe the brain, making it particularly beneficial for those who get excited quickly. After completing the asana, one feels calm and cool, with glowing eyes and a peaceful mind. For those who experience heaviness in the head, flushing or discomfort when attempting Sirsasana or headstand, practicing Uttanasana first can enable them to perform Sirsasana with comfort and ease. Overall, this asana relieves stomach pain, removes depression, and calms the brain. In this series of yoga poses, we will practice another pose in our next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better alignment through yoga. Be sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and ringing the notification bell to stay informed about our wellness journey together. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to hear from you. Until next time, stay aligned, stay mindful. Namaste.